everyone, welcome back to my studio. Today I'm going to show you how to use Stencil Tac. It's a new product I have with Earthsafe Finishes. It will be releasing June 15th, and I wanted to show you with my new line of stencils from Stencil Girl. I apply Stencil Tac to the back, and then it has a tackiness, and it can be used several times before it loses its tackiness. But that way, when you are working with stencils, you can take your item and place your stencil on it and just give it a rub in the area that you want it to be secure, and it stays. It's not going to go anywhere. So all you do is take the stencil that you want to apply the Stencil Tac to, and this is a liquid, and it's rather runny. I just open the entire cap off, and I use a disposable craft brush, and I like to make sure that there's no loose bristles. And you just put it in to the container, or you can pour a little bit out, and you just apply a thin coat right on to your stencil. That's all you do. It takes about, depending upon how thick of a coat you put on, you only need a thin coat, but it takes about 5 minutes for it to dry. And what you're looking for is, this is white, it will dry clear, and then it's ready to use. So you apply this to your entire stencil, and we'll be right back. So it's been about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's all clear. Hard to tell sometimes when the stencils have been loved as much as this, but that's it. Now the stencil is sticky. You're able to apply it to whatever surface you want to work on, and it is reusable until the stickiness wears off. So there you go. Stencil Tac, brand new from Earthsafe Finishes. Check it out. Until next time, have fun and be creative.